Guaviare is a department of Colombia. It is in the southern central region of the country. Its capital is San Jose del Guaviare. Guaviare was created on July 4, 1991 by the new political constitution of Colombia. Up until that point, it was a national territory that operated as a commissariat, segregated from territory of the then Commissariat of Wops on December 23, 1977. Originally inhabited by the pre-Columbian Nucac indigenous group, Guaviare was one of the regions colonized during the Amazon rubber boom of the 1910s and 1940s. Many families migrated from the center of the country, seeking fast revenue and escaping from the bipartisan violence taking place in other regions of Colombia. Nevertheless, the rubber fever ended quickly, leaving the new inhabitants of Guaviare alone in an immense rainforest difficult to conquer. The boom of cocaine in the second half of the XX century attracted new colonizers who migrated from other impoverished regions attracted by the coca revenues. Following this new wave of colonization, this territory started growing almost 30,000 hectares of coca per year. Several segments of Guaviare's territory were controlled by drug traffickers and the FARC guerrilla group during this period in which violence was widespread and clashes between the factions of the Colombian armed conflict were constant. According to Colombia's Victims Unit, the conflict in Guaviare has had more than 93,000 victims since 1985, with more than 83,000 displaced and 6,612 dead. The Colombian government's efforts to fight against coca cultivation have faced several difficulties. Aerial aspersion of glyphosate over the coca crops was suspended by a judicial order as it was potentially risky for the health of the inhabitants. Additionally, plans to replace coca with other crops have encountered legal, environmental, and economic restraints that limit their viability. None of these crops could match the level of profit that coca provided. The introduction of cattle to the region has reduced the farmers' dependence on coca by generating alternative sources of income. However, deforestation caused by cattle ranching has led to droughts, fires, and loss of biodiversity. The demobilization of the FARC in 2016 has led to the improvement of the living conditions in rural areas of Guaviare. Although FARC dissident groups that did not demobilize still exert territorial control of some zones of the department, the Nucac, a nomadic tribe that was uncontacted until 1988, live in Guaviare. Amazonas Antioquia Arica Atlántico Bolivar Boyaca Caldas Caqueta Casané Caucasiza Choco Córdoba Cundinamarca Guainia Guaviare Huila La Guajira Magdalena Meta Narino and Santander Putumayo Quindio Risaralda San Andrés Santander Sucre Tolima Valle del Cauca Wops Vicharda Capital District Bogotá. This department of Guaviare location article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.